everyone, my name is Jorge Castro. I am the Executive Vice President of AI and Client Delivery at Optimus. First of all, I want to say thank you to all of you for being here. Today, we are going to be talking about PABS. What is PABS? PABS is a pre-configured implementation of CRM that we have been working on for almost 4 or 5 years. That includes a lot of functionalities that we usually identify in multiple projects. So as you can see in the presentation, I'm going to be going really quick on the PPT because I want to do the demonstration really. So we include multiple functionalities on the sales model, customer service, project automation, omni-channel, a bunch of integrations like ChatGPT, Copilot, Teams, and basically, those are the functionalities that we are going to be reviewing today. Of course, 10 minutes are not going to be enough, so I'm going to be trying to highlight the functionalities that I consider that are more important in terms of the impact that could generate. As you can see here, we have management of the entire project lifecycle. I'm not going to read all of them, but in general terms, I want to invite you to see all the functionalities that we are having in the product. It works like a subscription, so it means that you are going to be using the product, and every month you are going to be receiving new functionalities. That's maybe one of the things that I consider that are more important ones. So now I'm going to pass to the functionalities that I'm going to show you today. The first one that I want to show you is the integration that we have between CRM, Teams, and Copilot, just to do general activities like in customer service. I'm going to start with, we just need to just enter Teams, and after that, we are going to have a Copilot Optimus here. And you could start asking things that are related with CRM. For example, if I want to see what are the cases that I have assigned at the moment, for example, I could ask, can I show me the summary of the cases that I have related? Could be a summary of my cases, could be a summary of a specific case. So you just need to start interacting with Copilot, and it's going to be bringing information from the CRM. So one of the things that we have here is that we could start interacting with CRM even if you don't have logged in CRM. If you want to go to the case directly, you just need to click here and it's going to be opened directly. So this is one of the functionalities that I consider that is important. The second one that is something that is mainly out of the box is that you could go directly to the PABS functionality, in this case customer service, and you could use the summary. So if you click here in summary, Copilot is going to be doing is going to be summarizing the case. That's an out-of-the-box functionality. But what we have done here is that additionally, if you want to use Copilot to interact in terms of make better the redaction basically make better the redaction that you have, you could just write the answer or what you want to say to the customer here. You could just highlight and adjust the title or just the text with Copilot. Use it like if you want to make it short or if you want to make it more friendly, you could update directly using Copilot here. If you don't have Copilot but you want to use ChatGPT, you could do it as well. So what you could do here is just open the Optimus AI that basically is integrated with ChatGPT, and it's going to be taking the same test. It's going to be using ChatGPT and it's going to be making better the redaction or even translating the test. We use this a lot in Optimus because we have customers in English, in Spanish, so it's a really good option to use the functionality. Additionally, in the customer service side, we have something that we call case followers. Basically, sometimes you have a case and you need to keep informed multiple people inside your company. So you don't need to start sending or forwarding emails. You could just put the people like a case follower, and the PABS is going to be notifying every time that you do something with the case. If you change the status, if you modify the estimated date of solution, PABS is going to be notifying everybody what is happening with the case. Additionally, we have here a functionality that we customize that is the related files. is going to enable you to upload files. That's something that you have in the CRM out of the box. But always when you upload a file in CRM, it's going to be in Notes. In this case, it's not going to be like that. It's going to be in a different model. You could upload a file, and after that, you could have version of the file. The files are going to be stored in an Azure storage, so it's not going to use the storage of your CRM. So all the files are going to be totally separate. And why we do that? Because the storage in CRM is could be expensive, so it's better to have the files just separated. So additionally, you could have here functionalities like drag and drop. That is something that you don't have in the out-of-the-box functionality. You could just throw the file there and it's going to be uploading. Additionally, if you want to use some files to be attached, and for example, if you change the status of the case or something like that, you could just click here and say that this should be sent if you change the case to problem solve or something like that, and PABS is going to be sending that directly to the system. I know that all of those functionalities that I am mentioning, you could just implement that in your own CRM or in your own system. What we have done is just take all the functionalities that we already identify in multiple projects, and we just put it together as a subscription. So mainly that's the functionality that we have here on PABS. I already showed you some of those on customer service. The other one that we have in customer service is going to be the dashboard. We have some dashboard that are already included directly in CRM. I know that you could go to Power BI and see the report there, but we don't want to go out of CRM. I mean, I want to keep the people inside the system the whole time. So if you could see the reports directly here, you just need to open here. You will find all the reports directly here, and basically you don't need to go out for nothing. So this is one of the reports. All of them are included in the subscription. You don't need to pay anything else. Additionally, we include in the functionality a self-service portal that is going to be in Power Pages. Again, you could do your own portal, but the portal that we are included already have some functionalities that are really useful. The people could go there, see the cases that you have opened with the company. The customer could view the details, send comments, reopen a case if it's not okay with the answer, could see the logs to identify the changes of status or something that happened with the case. Additionally, if we are running a project with that specific customer, they could come here, open to My Projects, and they could see the progress of the projects, what are the specific tasks that they have in that specific projects. We have an analytics functionality here, so you could see a dashboard that is going to be in Power BI, and it's going to be showing you how you are in terms of cases, in terms of projects. So for the customers, it's a really good way to keep informed about what is happening in terms of their cases or their projects. In terms of projects by itself, we are going to have multiple functionalities as well. We have a Teams integration that, let me show you that. It's going to be like, for example, this one. I could just jump to Teams and ask for a project status. Sorry, my bad. So if I want to ask for a project status, I could just go to the Copilot and ask for a specific project. It's going to show me the project status of a specific project that I am working on. It's going to show me the number of hours that I have, what is happening with the project, if we are okay in terms of the consumption of the hours. So it's going to be showing me all the information in terms of the project. You could ask, for example, if you want to see how many days you have available of vacations. What does it mean? We have in PABS a functionality to request the holidays, to request the vacations. So we don't want to use another system. We want to have everything in the same place. So if you want to see how many days you have for holidays, for vacation, you could just ask the Copilot. It's going to be connecting with the CRM, and it's going to be, sending an error. But it's going to be sending how many days you have in terms of your holidays. For projects, we have additionally a report as well that is going to be showing you how many projects you have in progress, how the consume of hours is going, what are the projects that you are working on, where are the projects located. That is important as well, even if you are a company in your country, but if you have projects in different countries, you will see here a map that is going to be showing you where your projects are located. That's something good as well. And for the projects, for example, you have something that we use a lot, that is the projects minutes. So if you have a meeting with a customer and you want to generate a minute, for example, you just need to keep here. You're going to have the model included in PABS. You could define what is the purpose of the meeting, who's the people that is attending, what are the specific tasks that you generate during the meeting. You could put here all the content of the meeting, relate some files, and after that, just generate a document. What's the good thing here is that if you have a Teams meeting and you download the transcript, you could upload the transcript and the system is going to generate the minute with the same information, in the format that you are using in your company. So basically, those are some of the functionalities that we are including in PABS. I really want to invite you to go to our table and maybe discuss some other questions that probably you could have. And additionally, invite you to participate in the raffle that we have. We have a lot of things there that we don't want to bring again to our home. So please come here and participate in the raffle. Thanks a lot for your time.